Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi everybody, so we're finding I, X, Y, I, Y, Z, and I, Z, X. Okay, so your figure is gonna look kind of like this. And so we have D theta, and we have theta here, and we have A, we have V, we have Y, and we have DM. Okay, so you need to find M1, which is going to be equal to M5, which equals to 1/2 M R1. And M2 is equal to M4, which is equal to M1 of R squared minus R1. And M3 equals pi to M of R squared. And from this, we also have xy of 1 is equal to x, z x1 is equal to 0. Xy of 3 equals to x, I, y, z, 3, n is equal to 0. And I, inertia, y, z, 5 is equal to I, z, x, 5 equals to 0. And we also have x1 equals x2 equals 0. Y2, y3, and y4 is equal to 0. And z4 equals to z5 equals to 0. And so we also know that your dm is going to equal to dv is equal to p a d theta. And now your di is going to equal to a cosine theta, a sine theta, and we're looking at this guy here. M a d theta. So we get m a sine theta, cosine theta, and d theta. So it's not that bad. You can actually find the trig symbol of this in your math book for a quick integral, just to help you out. So don't worry, don't stress. It's not that scary. It just sometimes integrals looks more scary than I think. Setting up integrals is a lot harder than it is solving it. Okay. And you just look into your book, and it should be in the back of the book, so it should have some integral functions. And this is one of the integral functions that you should memorize for its future use. And it's going to be pi over 2, 0. So here we get 1/2 m. Oops, I wrote that really weird. M R3, 1. And so now what we're going to do is your I, X, Y is going to be equal to your I, X, Y 1 plus M1, X1, Y1 plus I, X, Y 3 plus M3, X3, Y3 plus I, X, Y 5. And this whole thing is going to equal to 1/2 M R1 3. And the next one is your I, Y, Z which is going to be IYZ1, IYZ3 plus M3Y3Z3. Actually, those are supposed to be vectors. There we go. There you go. So fix that, and plus IYZ5 plus M5Y5Z5 plus IXY5 equals 1/2 MR3, 1. And then we have IZX, which is going to be equal to IZX1, IZX1 plus M1 Z1X1 plus IZX3 plus IZX5 plus M5Z5X5, and you get 1/2 MR3. Okay, thank you guys.